It looks to me like it's time to dig out from the snowstorm that we have gotten, blizzard. Many roads are still closed, but it's time to dig out. Here you guys can see my backyard a little bit. We have gotten a ton of snow. This is my barbecue grill right here, right? And I had just cleaned this the other day as I was barbecuing up here. And let me show you guys. You guys can see how tall my barbecue grill is. And look at the amount of snow I have. Almost as tall as what my window is out there in the backyard. I have one of them picnic tables up there. You guys see that? All the way up to where the seat is. That is how deep the snow is. You see a regular chair? Yeah. It is not snowing anymore. As you guys can see, we got beautiful sunshine. But don't let it fool you. It's cold and windy.